Can a keyboard switch truly deliver a whisper-quiet experience without sacrificing that satisfying, smooth feel? It's a tough ask, but Kailh might just have cracked the code with their new box Islet Pro silent linear switches. These aren't just any switches. They're marketed as deep-sea silent linear, and that promise of profound quiet is something many of us have been searching for. Right off the bat, you notice Kailh's unique box structure. This isn't just for aesthetics. It brings serious dustproof and waterproof capabilities, a huge plus for longevity and peace of mind. For those who love their RGB, the clear PC top cover is a thoughtful touch, ensuring your keyboard's lighting shines through beautifully without any dulling. And here's a massive time saver. These switches come pre-lubed. That means you get that buttery smooth travel from the very first press. No need for tedious modding sessions before you can enjoy them. But the real star of the show is, of course, the silence. Kailh has incorporated a new material mute pad, and the difference is genuinely noticeable. We're talking very low noise, making these switches an absolute dream for environments where every decibel counts. Think offices, libraries, or even late-night gaming sessions when you don't want to disturb anyone. As linear switches, the travel is consistent and smooth from top to bottom. With an operation force of 45 grams, they feel light and responsive, perfect for fast typists or gamers who appreciate quick actuations. The pre-travel is a swift 1.8 millimeters, and the total travel is 3.6 millimeters, giving you a satisfying, yet incredibly efficient keystroke. And these aren't just quiet, they're built to last, boasting an impressive 100 million cycle lifespan. That's a lot of typing. Compatibility is also a non-issue. These are 3-pin switches, making them compatible with most hot-swappable mechanical keyboards out there, so upgrading your current setup is a breeze. Even the packaging shows attention to detail, with each switch nestled individually in a delicate plastic tray to prevent bent pins, which is a small but much appreciated touch. Overall, the Kailh Box Islet Pro silent linear switches are a fantastic option for anyone seeking a truly quiet, yet incredibly smooth and durable typing experience. If silence and performance are your top priorities, these switches are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.